So apparently people didn't know that this was a thing, right? But if let's say your kid's got a cough, and I know this is the fitness related, but I mean it's kind of health and wellness related, right? So let's say your kid's got a cough. Take an onion, white onion, red onion, really doesn't matter. Cut it up, put it in any bowl with a lid, sprinkle some sugar on it, leave it in the fridge overnight. It's going to excrete a syrup. And a couple spoonfuls of this syrup, dude, and it will cut your kid's cough out. Look it up. It's been known to boost immune systems, cut colds, work on fevers, decongest the lungs, like work on respiratory infections. Google onion syrup. Your kid's ever sick, get that in 'em.